morning, my student. How are you today? I hope all of you fine. Welcome to my English class with me, Ernita Siombing. I am teacher at SMA Negeri 5 Bagan Cinemba. Today, we learn about passive voice in simple past tense. We often hear the words passive voice in English, while in Indonesian it is active and passive. Before we continue our lesson, I want to ask you, what is passive voice? Passive voice is a sentence whose subject is subject to an activity or action. While in Indonesian, passive sentence have certain characteristics, namely that they usually begin with the prefix ter or di. Bahwa passive voice adalah kalimat subjeknya dikenai suatu aktivitas atau perbuatan. Nah, sedangkan di bahasa Indonesia kalimat pasif memiliki ciri tertentu, yaitu biasanya diawali dengan awalan ter ataupun di. The passive sentence is formed from the active sentence by making the subject inactive as subject, in passive as object. Nah, kalimat pasif dibentuk dari kalimat aktif dengan menjadikan subjek di dalam kalimat aktif sebagai objek dalam kalimat pasif, begitu pula sebaliknya ya. Berikutnya yaitu difference from the simple present tense which use the auxiliary verb is, are. Passive sentence in simple past tense are formed by auxiliary verb was or were. Nah, berbeda dengan simple present tense yang menggunakan auxiliary verb seperti is, are. Sedangkan kalimat pasif dalam simple past tense dibentuk oleh auxiliary verb seperti was, were, dan was digunakan untuk subjek tunggal seperti I, she, he, it. Dan sedangkan were untuk subjek jamak yaitu you, we, dan they. For the make easy passive sentence in English with the simple past tense, you can see the formulas and example here. Example for active. First, the thief stole his parents' car last night. Yang artinya yaitu maling itu mencuri mobil orang tuanya semalam. Second, Debbie wrote some poems last month. Debbie menulis beberapa puisi bulan lalu. Nah, penjelasannya atau maksud dari contoh di atas yaitu the first example, the types here as subject and stole as verb to, and his parents' car last night as object. And the second sentence is the Debbie as subject, wrote as verb to, and some poems last month as object. Nah, untuk contoh pasif yaitu his parents' car was stolen by the thief last night. Yang artinya mobil orang tuanya dicuri oleh maling semalam. And the second, some poems were written by Debbie last month. Yaitu beberapa puisi ditulis oleh Debbie bulan lalu. Nah, in passive here use the positive sentence and the formula subject plus was or were plus verb 3. Which the first sentence, his parents' car become a subject, at was, and stolen as verb 3, at by, and then the type last night as object. Nah, maksud contoh kedua yaitu some poems as subject, at were, and written as verb 3, at by, and then Debbie last month here as object. Nah, untuk kedua contoh di atas bahwa kalimat pasif dibentuk dari kalimat aktif, yaitu dengan menjadikan subjek yang ada di dalam kalimat aktif dan sebagai objek yang ada di dalam kalimat pasif. Seperti contoh tadi, subjek the type dan Debbie, dalam kalimat aktif menjadi objek di dalam kalimat pasif. Okay, until here our lesson today. Thank you for attention.